Hi everyone. In this video, I want to show you how you can use some data on Google Sheet, essentially like a database, where we make an HTML dashboard which has a URL. You can share that with people in your organization, and as the data changes on the Google Sheet, the dashboard will get updated as well. So we will start by first creating a sample data. Let's keep it simple. I will just call it item, region, and sales, and we just need about 10 rows. Let's insert this. Perfect. Now I want to take a screenshot, come to Google AI Studio and tell it that this is my data. Also give it the URL. This is the URL. And what we would like to do is to get the code that I can put on Google Sheets so I can make a HTML dashboard as a web app. And what do we want to see on the HTML dashboard? We'll keep it simple. Maybe the average and the sum of sales and the region-wise sales. So we want KPIs, which is the average sales and the sum of sales. And we want a chart that is the region-wise KPIs. I'm sorry, region-wise sales. And then we wait for the model to do its magic. If you want, you can also go through the thinking, just so to make sure that it understood your query clearly, and also that in case they don't understand something, we can fix that. Then we go to extensions and app script. Now there are two blocks of code. One is the code.js. Let me copy that. Now the code.js is already available. So we can simply take that and paste our code. For the HTML, I will insert HTML. Let's call it index. And then we copy this index part and put this here. Deploy as a new deployment. Let's make this a web app. Call it temp dash, for example, temp dash one. You can share it with people within the organization. In this case, I'll restrict it to myself and we deploy it. Let's give it the necessary authorization. Open the URL. And as you can see, we get our total, average, and the pie chart. Now let us say we want to verify if the numbers are working. So the average is 610295. I'll just come back and let's add a value. I'll just copy the same row. We come back and refresh the page. And as you can see, the average sales changes as well. So there you go. We have been able to make a dynamic HTML page, which means that as the table keeps on getting updated, the dashboard will get updated as well.